Bin Tsutsumi is a wrapping technique with a variation. Bin means bottle in Japanese. I'm going to show you how to wrap a wine bottle with the Bin Tsutsumi method. Lay a furoshiki with the printed side down and turn it diagonally. Place a bottle in the center. Take the corner facing you in the opposite corner and make a knot. You can twist each corner so it's tightly wrapped. Make a double knot, leaving enough space for your hand to go through. You just made a handle. Spread the remaining ends like two wings. Take one end, go around the back of the bottle and bring it to the other side. Make a bow. Adjust the bows and make them pretty.